I do not like this weather. It doesn't give me very good vibes. So today I'm going to a shoot. I didn't get too much information about it. It's gonna be something live streamed from what I've understood. I've got my cameras in there, the FX6 and the A7 III just in case, the small rig tripod, a light stand just in case we need to put up a light, tons and tons of cables, power, HDMIs, SDIs, XLRs, and buried under there there's the small rig BC60B. I fucking love this light, it's so small, and should be an interesting day. I'm preparing right now to leave, and let's see what the setup will look like, because I have no idea about the location. I've never been there, and I'm scared shitless right now. So yeah.
Akong Sarah. Ako yun. Sarah.
So I've been sent on a mission to get some water because we ran out, and from what they told me, I knew that the event would start now at 12 p.m. or 12 in the morning. That may being in half an hour, but apparently the event starts at 4 p.m. and I have no idea. It's still like at least 4 hours to wait. It's raining like hell right now, but yeah, glad I brought my headphones, and then I guess we'll just wait. We've done all the tests, the camera works, you've seen the setup. We'll be shooting some kind of Zoom meeting with the mayor and some other people from the government, I guess. I don't know, I'm very confused. And yeah, I have to take also some pictures for them, and we'll do a full breakdown after we finish. Cool. And another one done. We're now heading home. I have to edit a bit of this, from what I've understood, to edit some photos, and then yeah, it's done.